You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. And yes, I'm gonna be needing your name. It comes from Old German, the name Karl, yes, meaning free man. There are different pronunciations in English. The most common one is as Karel, I would say. German pronunciation, Karel. So some say it also as Karel or Karel. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.